Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use maximum brain power. To begin, prioritize consistent, quality sleep, aiming for 7 to 9 hours nightly. Next, fuel your brain with nutrient-dense foods, focusing on omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Stay well hydrated by drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily. Regular physical activity, even 30 minutes most days, significantly boosts cognitive function. Finally, challenge your mind with new learning and manage stress effectively. Fueling your brain properly is crucial for peak performance. Incorporate foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon, and antioxidants from berries and leafy greens. Remember to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout your day to maintain optimal hydration, as even mild dehydration can impair focus. Limiting processed foods and excessive sugar will help stabilize your energy levels and prevent mental fog, ensuring sustained cognitive clarity. Rest and movement are foundational for a powerful mind. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. This allows your brain to consolidate memories and repair itself. Engage in at least 30 minutes of moderate physical activity most days of the week, as exercise increases blood flow and oxygen to the brain. Also, integrate short breaks and mindfulness practices to reduce mental fatigue and enhance overall focus. To truly sharpen your mind, continuously challenge it with new learning experiences, like mastering a new skill or solving complex puzzles. Practice stress reduction techniques such as meditation or deep breathing for 10 to 15 minutes daily, as chronic stress can impair cognitive function. Finally, maintain strong social connections. Engaging with others stimulates your brain and fosters a sense of well-being, contributing to overall mental health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.